I'm gonna quickly show you how I install these soft locks. The first thing you wanna do is grab your braid. You wanna take your crochet needle. You wanna stick it through the base of the braid. I am using 36-inch crochet locks. You wanna just loop it through the braid. Then you find the opening of the crochet lock, open it up like that. Then you want to take your braid and the crochet lock, pass them both through the hole. Then pull it to secure, like that. Then you want to grab your braid, the lock, and I'm using 18-inch passion twist braiding hair. You want to take a small piece of it, put it to your hair. Now I have a short side and I have a long side. I'm going to take this little short side and wrap it around a few times just to make a sturdy base. So I'm gonna take that short side of the hair and just wrap it around both the braid and the lock. Then you take this long side and you begin to just wrap. It's very simple. You just have to keep it tight so it does not come loose. And you just wrap until you run out of hair. Then, once you get to the ends, you want to start wrapping upward to secure it. So I'm going to start wrapping in the upward direction. I'm going to do it nice and tight so it does not come loose. Wrapping up. And grab all those little hairs and wrap. Now that it's all wrapped, you take it between your hands and you just rub it together to seal it. And there you go. Now it's one solid lock. And again, this is 36 inches, so they're super long. But that is how you do it. I have a few more to do, and then I'm done with my whole head.